of base pairs long that the chromosome is? Is it 1,000 base pairs long? Is it a million base pairs long? Is it 100,000 base pairs long? You find out sites that tell you that. How does it compare to other chromosomes?
I'm recording.
So, what do you think? Chromosome 3, based on your knowledge, size-wise, how does chromosome 3 compare to all the other chromosomes? It's pretty big, yeah. It's in the top row of the karyotype. Bullet point 4, explain what the P and Q arms are and label them on your picture. Now, looking at this, I don't know if you can already see there's P's over here and Q's over here. You want to do some research. What does that mean? The P part of the chromosome versus the Q. And then how many genes are on your chromosome? Again, I think this site will actually have that, but there's going to be a number of segments on your chromosome that are considered genes because they code for a protein in the body. And then after that, the last 4 bullet points, I want you to actually find the names of 2 genes that are on a chromosome. And the names are usually something kind of funky. So I'll give you an example of chromosome 3, if anyone has it out there. This will probably help you. Actually, it's not right at this page. But here you can click on how the geneticist indicate the location of the gene. But genes, a lot of times, the names of them are something like a number and letter combination. So you might find a gene that's called HDQ137. You know, it's not going to mean a lot to us. And the letters and numbers came from somewhere. But that could be the name of a gene. I want you to find the names of 2 genes that are located on your chromosome. And then it says for each of those, describe where it is found. So you'll actually find, like they'll say, it's located at 3p24.3. And that would mean it's located right here, that section of DNA. Include a picture, it says, or add it to your picture, like point to it. And then explain what the gene codes for. So let's say this gene, I find out that it codes for a protein called melanin. But a lot of times the protein
Red-haired people don't have any.
Just like that. But melanin is the protein that gives you all your coloring. So I would say, gene HDQ137 codes for melanin. That says explain the
That is the ginger gene,
So
actually.
then I have to research melanin, because what does it do for me? I find out it causes color. And then the last bullet point, explain what disorder results if the gene is mutated.
Gingers.
So I did research on melanin. I found out that it produces pigment. And then the last bullet point says what happens if that gene is mutated. Well, maybe I find out that if that gene is mutated and melanin production is affected, the person doesn't produce pigment, and so they have albinism. Okay, so for picking 2 genes, you have to name them, tell me the name of the protein
There's the gene gene.
what the protein does, and what happens if that gene is mutated. You kind of have to take this whole path. That's the last.
I've taken a 3-minute video so far. I'm going to record the entire class period.
Like they're swatching. There's probably a different gene that somehow affects where the melanin is produced. And so in some spots it can be produced, like it's probably more of a control gene, like a gene that controls the gene that makes melanin. But you're thinking that, absolutely. One of the things I talked about with 4th hour is, on a paper like this, these questions aren't in the order of any article. So, you really can't skim looking for answers that well. You really need to read through this carefully so you know what you're looking for, and then start to really read carefully websites so that you can discriminate in your mind. Is this useful information? Is it not useful information? If it isn't, stop reading it. If it seems like it might be, read it to the end, ask yourself, does this answer any of her questions? If it does, obviously you want to use it. And then also, do you think you're going to know all the vocabulary on these websites? Absolutely not. I don't, and my biology vocabulary is pretty decent. What should you do, though, if there's a word there that you don't know and you think it's a useful website? Look it up. Yeah, you have to in the butt, but you don't want to put a word in your paper. If you don't know what the word means, do not put it in your paper unless you're going to explain what it means, because it's kind of useless in there. And I was on 4th hour as well. The research, is anyone in a research class here?
Shit.
Like the research class about for 1 hour, they spend semester one, for 4 months, just reading science-based websites and papers to practice how to read carefully science-like literature so that they can get meaning out of papers that they're going to be reading at class and what they want to research. So don't underestimate how much work it is to read through things that you're unfamiliar with. So I'm going to give you the rest of the hour actually to grab a computer. I do have a due date for you, which I didn't put on there. The 14th, so you might want to write that at the top. I always forget to put the cite your sources. I do want you to cite your sources. Just put the website. You don't have to do the MLA format.
It's videotaped.
I would like you to use at least 3 sources. If you can't find something, tell me. You can find all of this information. If you can't find something on here, you're either not looking in the right spot or not looking hard enough. Because the answers are out there to all of these folks. Yes or no? I think this one may be a full page, which for a lot of you the other one was too, but for some it wasn't. I think this will take you a full page. And if you have, I don't mind as long as you're working. This is an independent work day. If you listen to music, as long as you're working, you know, I'll be in the back just so that I can
oh shit, I didn't bring my headphones.
the right spots on the computers.
Good thing I brought my headphones.
Good things
Stay while
everyone.
you're in class, if
I guess that means everyone's gonna listen to my music.
ask me, that's not the hour. You know, I'll help you figure out if it's applicable or it's not. This is the only class I'm going to go today to work on. If we get something on you could, if you use it, title and off. Okay. So if you'd like to, you can grab a computer. I'll give you the homework.
Just turn it off.
Can you say cheese?
No.
You guys, your binders are not done if they're up.
I want to see that picture.
No,
Put that on Facebook, Khalid.
I'm gonna be like,
Khalid, put that picture on Facebook.
I mean,
Yeah, I want to be in your
grab